Hello everyone. So as you know, today there was an annular solar eclipse. So I'm going to give you a little briefing about that. Let me go over some interesting facts and aspects of this eclipse. This is the last annular solar eclipse in India for this decade. The next annular eclipse will occur on May 21, 2031. This eclipse of June 21 will be 30% visible in Coimbatore, and it will be 99% visible in Kurukshetra. So, we must first know what are eclipses. An eclipse is when one body covers another, casting a shadow on the third body. In the case of solar eclipses, the sun's light is blocked by the moon, which in turn casts a shadow on the earth. Can you see in this picture that the moon's shadow, which is falling on the earth, has two parts? One is the darker part, which is called the umbra, and the other is the lighter part called the penumbra. The umbra is more focused to a particular point on the earth, while the penumbra is slightly more spread out. But there are still areas on the earth which still receive the sunlight of the earth. We will talk about what those areas experience when the shadow of the moon is not falling over them. So, let's discuss what happens during a partial eclipse. During a partial eclipse, not all the light coming to the earth is blocked. But that doesn't mean that every light ray reaches the earth. There is still a part of the moon which blocks some of the sunlight. For example, half of the moon is in this area where the light of the sun can be blocked. So only half of this moon's shadow will be falling on this area, and the areas here will experience a partial eclipse. So now, let's discuss what happened today. Today was an annular eclipse. So, it's very similar to a total eclipse. But the only difference is that the moon is farther away from the earth and a bit more closer to the sun. Like you can see here, the moon is very close to the earth. Here it's a bit farther out. So, what happens is, when you keep a hand in front of you, and you can see part of the view of the object behind you is blocked, but when you take it a little farther out, you can still see the outer edges of the object. How a ring of fire or an outer ring of the sun is formed. Incidentally, the outer area of the sun is called corona. This ring of fire is visible only during an annular eclipse, because that is when not all of the moon is blocking the sun. So in an annular eclipse, you can also see a very special phenomena called Baily's beads. So these Baily's beads are for this you must understand that the moon is not a smooth round ball. It also has mountains, ridges, valleys and canyons just like Earth. So all these valleys and canyons might block or let out more sunlight. For example, let's take this to be a mountain, and there's a light shining like this. The mountain blocks some of the light but lets the other light pass through. And let's just imagine there's a valley below it. So this valley will let in more sunlight. So this forms a diamond ring, which forms a bead-like effect, which is known as Baily's beads. These Baily's beads are very beautiful to look at, and they look like diamonds sparkling on the outer edge of the moon. So let's discuss a few myths about eclipses and let's bust them. One of the most famous and the most well-known myths is that you should not bathe, eat or drink during an eclipse. Why is that so? Our elders say that it is because of rays which come to earth during eclipses. But remember, it is just like you sitting under a tree on a hot summer's day. But instead of the tree casting shadow over you, it's just the moon. These rays, they say, cause the food to turn to poison. But why is that so? We have not seen light of the sun turning food to poison, and it's just, part of the sun being blocked by another object, albeit the moon. The remainder of the sun's rays which are not blocked by the moon does not cause the food which we eat to turn to poison. Another myth about eclipses, this one a lunar eclipse, is that pregnant ladies will get a bad aura to their child if they go out during an eclipse. But this is totally false. Just like the solar eclipse, it is just the earth's shadow blocking the moon. It has nothing to do with anything to do with pregnant women or their babies. Eclipses are very rare and very beautiful. People who are scared of eclipses and believe in such superstitions will not get to witness such beauty. This is a very rare occurrence, and I urge all the people to go out and see the next eclipse. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay tuned for more informative stuff. Special thanks to Mr. Obli Chandran and Mango Astronomy Club for teaching me all this.